Hi everyone, so today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how do you get an invoice on Fiverr for all the purchases or the services that you have provided. For example, like log into your Fiverr account. So once you've logged into your Fiverr account, click on your profile picture here. So under your profile picture, you'll see an option called billing. This is actually a new feature that's added by Fiverr for specifically for invoices. So click on billing. So if you click on billing here, it should bring up all your billing history or this will with all the details of all the purchases or the services that you have provided or been purchased from you. So you will have all the list of invoices generated here. So you can simply click on the order to view what is it or to view uh, its details of it, or you can also, if you see there's a PDF option here, so you can just click on that to download a PDF copy of the invoice. So for example, this one I just clicked it, and if I open this PDF, see that's an invoice. That's an invoice for a purchase that I made on Fiverr. So that's how you can access to your invoices on Fiverr. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.